Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Can you name 40 farm animals within just 5 seconds? Let's start guessing!
Can you guess the animal? It's a cow. What is it? Rabbit. Next animal. Goat. Can you guess the animal? Yes, it's a sheep. What is it? Duck. Can you guess the animal? Yes, it's a pig. Do you know this? It's a horse. B. What is it? A cat. Can you guess the animal? Donkey. Next animal. A dog. Do you know this? Rooster. What is it? A bull. Can you guess the animal? Domestic water buffalo. Do you know this? Rat. Pigeon. Do you know this? Goose. Do you know this? Calf. Can you guess the animal? It's a lamb. What is it? It is a turkey. Can you guess the animal? Guinea pig. Do you know this? An alpaca. Guess the animal. It's a llama. Guess the animal. Yak. Guess the animal. Ostrich. Guess the animal. Silkworm. Next animal. Reindeer. Next animal. It's a bison. What is it? An emu. A pony. It is a hen. What is it? It is a quail. Guess the animal. Camel. Can you guess the animal? It's a mule. Can you guess the animal? Ram. Can you guess the animal? Steer. Can you guess the animal? An ox. Do you know this? Gael. Parrot. What is it? Chick.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.